In this new video, I'll show you how my last week of trading went. So actually, it's going to be a bit more than a week because I started last Wednesday, so it'll be about 10 days. Let's start here from the list of trades we've made. We can see that there was a significant losing trade yesterday on the euro dollar. Then we have a comprehensive series of successful trades that went exceptionally well on both gold and on the Nasdaq. Going back through our records, we have encountered some unfortunate losses, especially here on Bitcoin, where we regrettably lost about 1%. Some were positive, some were negative, but we had this day, the 18th, which was a very good day because we made a lot of profits, especially on the yen. We had two excellent trades, and also on euro dollar. We also made gains on euro dollar on the 17th with our scalping program because there was the FOMC. At that time, there was a lot of volatility, and so this helped our strategy work well. In fact, as we can see here, we made 92 in one day, and the following day we made another 125. Then there was a negative day, which was the 17th, when everything went a bit against us. But that's part of trading anyway. You can't make a profit every single day. Going back, we can see that we had a really negative trade on the DAX on the 16th with this strategy that called for a long entry. It entered long on Monday and was supposed to be held until Tuesday, but unfortunately the index went down for 2 days, so this trade went completely against us. Going back, we can see that we had some positive trades here, a few negative ones, and this is where we started. The 15th was the first day I activated this account, which will be the account I used to show you on my channel. Now let's take a detailed look at our report and see what it says. So let's start from September 14th to September 20th. We have a total profit of 357 euros. This account is a 10,000 euro account, so we've made about 3.5%, a profit factor of 1.33, which is not bad at all, and a maximum drawdown of about 10%. Here you can see the equity line of our account, so we had a first part going down, then a strongly positive day brought us back up, and we closed now where the equity is. This is the growth. Here you can see that we went down, then clearly it's only 1 week, so we'll see how things go in the future. Let's take a look at the various symbols. These are the charts of the various symbols that we trade with my different strategies. Here we can see the results. Obviously, the best one was, of course, the yen with the dollar as a cross. Then we also have the Nasdaq, gold, which was somewhat so-so. And then we have Bitcoin, which was at a significant loss. And the DAX also went into a loss position, Ethereum as well. But Ethereum only made one single trade, so not much impact there. We'll certainly see what precisely happens in the near future. We can clearly observe that during this particular period, we successfully executed 22 distinct trades on various currencies, 18 on a range of commodities, 14 on different indices, and only 5 on cryptocurrencies, because that's an asset class we typically trade a little bit less frequently. And here is the breakdown of all the various trades. We have 18 on gold, 13 on the yen, 9 on euro dollar, 8 on the German, 6 on the US 100, 4 on Bitcoin, and only 1, as we mentioned, on Ethereum. So for these, we'll need to wait a bit longer and see if we can get a higher number of trades before drawing any conclusions. In total, we had 59 trades, of which 58 were automatic and 1 was manual. The manual one was because I had to close it myself. There was an issue with the broker, so it was stuck. I had to close it manually because otherwise it wouldn't have closed the trade for me last night at midnight. So going back to the main screen, we can see that this first period didn't go badly. We're in profit, not by much, but considering it's been less than 10 days, things are going pretty well. We did experience some drawdown at certain times, but it's all within the normal range, just as we expected from the tests and back tests that were done. We'll catch up again next week with a new video like this, and I'll show you what happened. If you enjoy this kind of content, let me know in the comments, leave a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on everything I do.